How to fix iPhone not connecting to 3uTools. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If 3uTools is stuck on connecting device and will not detect your iPhone, then there could be a few problems. So try these fixes in order to fix it. First and foremost, make sure that you are using an original and certified cable, as connection problems are often caused by cheap charging cables, damaged cables, or USB hubs. So make sure to use original Apple cable or MFI certified cable and plug directly into your PC and not a hub. Next, go ahead and try to unlock your iPhone, and when you unlock your iPhone, you will see the Trust This Computer option. So tap on the Trust This Computer option and you might be needed to enter your passcode. So enter your passcode and make sure not to tap on the Do Not Trust option, as with this, 3uTools will not be connected. Also, you can try to install or reinstall iTunes drivers, as 3uTools depends on Apple drivers. So go ahead and install the official iTunes for Windows version, and even if you don't use iTunes, its drivers are required. So after installing, restart your computer and then reopen 3uTools and it should be working just fine. If not, then go ahead and check if you are using an outdated version of 3uTools, and if yes, then you can simply go ahead and download or update the latest version, as older versions often get stuck on connecting device. See if your issue is fixed yet, and if not, then go ahead and restart both your devices. So restart your iPhone as well as restart your PC and try connecting again, and this is a simple but a very effective fix for this particular issue. And if the trust option is not showing, then simply open settings and then tap on general. Here, tap on transfer or reset iPhone option you see there, and then tap on reset, and further go ahead and choose the reset location and privacy settings you see there, and enter your passcode and reset the location and privacy settings, and then go ahead and reconnect your iPhone, and then the trust option should pop up. Also, make sure that if you are connected to any type of VPN services, then you might face this issue. So make sure that you are not connected to any type of VPN services. Also, go ahead and make sure to check the iOS compatibility, and if your iPhone is running a very new iOS version, or if your iOS is running a very old iOS version, then it may not support. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix not connecting to 3uTools of your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.